Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. It's my first Halloween and I decide to, I don't have any costume on.
It's not your Halloween, it's my first Halloween.
I'm gonna show you guys Tyler in a bit. But first, let me just tell you guys good morning. And I did a little something to my face. And I had this little thing in my hair and I have my hair out. And I'm ready to take my boy on the road. Now this is Tyler. Isn't he cute? Say hi, Fizz. You ready to go? Okay, we're ready to go, right? He's so excited. He can't wait to go outside. And we're ready to go trick or treat, right? Let's go. Anyway, you guys, I am doing this all in fun for Tyler, really. And I'm looking forward to see his face just lit up on the street. And I think Jen is coming with us. So I'm going to meet Jen on the way. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed Halloween if you guys celebrate it. As Jamaicans, we really don't celebrate Halloween, but the things that your kids can make you do, I really want him to have the experience. And other kids will be out on the street, so my boy and I is going out, okay? Anyway, you guys, here we go. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. You're pretty. Go on. Yes. What? The Messi, take one more time. The Messi. You got candies. And you got pumpkin. So cool. You see the pumpkin? I see another one here. You see another one? It's so windy. The beach is almost coming all the way to the street. Wow.
Come, baby.
Jen's Halloween. No, they've seen Jen. They haven't seen her in forever. Come, you guys look at that. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I've seen it come over here from upstairs.
It come all the way at Linval, all the way over into the street. I was like, jeez. Shoot, another bus we miss. 52? No, we can't take this go town. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Damn, it feels cold now.
All day long.
All day.
Ty.
You see?
Hey, hey.
This one.
Yes, it's the bus stop.
Oh, it's the bus
Come.
stop. Oh, you like bus
No,
stops?
it's this one.
Oh, wait, look at it.
Yes,
Stop in
yes,
the bus stop.
Ty. Jesus have mercy.
This one.
Yes, baby. What number is it? Go, go, go.
It's this one.
Yes, Ty. It is 99.
99.
Yes, go.
Alright, we're gonna have a plan. We can't stop at every bus stop, baby. But
The Messi. To the Messi. Okay. Come on, let's go. It's always say Messi, okay? Very good.
what's this see?
Over here. Let's go to this
I
one.
can do it.
Yes. Come. Maybe not, because it look like a candy store.
Let's walk through and see.
How's this one?
This one the price is
No? Yeah, I guess.
yeah, sweet. Or candy. Oui.
Tell her, hold up your pan.
Thank you.
Be messy. Come on.
Voila. He holds up the bag again.
Come, let's go. Be messy. Okay. Thank you. Come.
Il fallait pleurer.
Go, Tyler.
Ah, c'est gentil, hein, un peu. Oh là là. Elle est gentille.
Tyler, dis merci.
Avec les choses sexy. Hein? Non. Pour les... Oh, les filets.
Non, non. Merci. Non, merci, c'est bon. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come, Tyler, let's go.
Okay. Now we can go up.
This frozen yogurt is the bomb.
Yeah.
Come.
Isn't it? I
It's
used to
so
love it.
good.
I used to.
The one that I buy at the supermarket is yummy, but it doesn't have this sweet taste like this one.
Yeah. It's a bit too sour. Yeah, it's good.
It's so good. They're giving out free frozen yogurt. It tastes so good. You go, ah! Whoa! Be careful, Ty. Be careful. Good boy. Which way are we going first? Right or left? Alright. Let's go in here. Fête ton anniversaire. Come. C'est pas grave, merci. Go, yes they do. Go, Tyler, go. Go, Tyler, go. There she is.
Trick or treat.
Oh, what do you say? Okay. Come, let's go. You come on, Bo? Come. Come, Tyler. It's a cuisine store.
You got bonbon? I know that's right, baby boy.
You see?
Oh, did you give him a little one?
It's in the bag. You need to put them in your bag.
Hey, Ty. Give a bonbon to the little boy and the little girl. Tien, give me that. You go. Give the bonbon to the little boy
See
and the
there?
little girl.
Go.
Two of them.
The girl in the witchy outfit.
See them two little children right there.
Go.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Hello.
No?
Bon, on y va.
Ok, come.
Ah, peut-être tu veux un bonbon? Oui, elle, le deux. Oui, voilà, partage. Voilà. Et encore, et encore, et encore, et encore.
Voila! So you guys, I had bought some candies so that I could give to the kids. So I could give to the kids that in costume because Tyler is getting candy and we're loving it. So Tyler is giving them candy. Come Ty. Go give him in the red. Go on. He's putting it in his pan. Give it to him, Ty.
There you go. He's shy.
Oh,
Shy.
give him the other one.
Oh.
Good job. You guys, oh my gosh, we are back home. And to say the least, Tyler had so much fun trick-or-treating throughout the streets of town. He had so much fun, but then we started getting hungry and I decided to get on a bus and get home because I'm so hungry. I am going to go ahead and take all this off my face. I look ridiculous. And I made sure I cook before I leave, so I'm just going to go ahead and warm up dinner right now because Tyler is hungry. You hungry?
Yes.
Yes. So what I cooked before I left is I made mashed potatoes, green beans, roast chicken, and some sauce. Princess Fiona. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Alright, tell Faves bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys tomorrow. Did you enjoy Halloween?
Yes.
You had lots of fun?
Yes.
And you got lots of candy?
I'm giving my candy up my friend.
And you give your friends candy? Show them your gift that Auntie Jen bought you. Wow, another Paw Patrol collection. Who is that one?
Rubber.
Rubber.
And what was you about the caca? And pee-pee.
Tyler said he's going to the toilet, he's potting, he's pooping, and he's peeing. You're hilarious. Anyway, tell Face bye.
Bye.
See you guys.
Tomorrow.
So why you have the camera on me?
Because you're pretty. And the camera should be on the pretty girls. It's like in a company. You have pretty girl in the front and ugly girl in the back. You're a pretty girl, so you'll be in the front, and I'm ugly, so I'm in the back. I'm holding the camera.
You guys, I'm still in my hello. I love this thing in my hair. I haven't taken it.
You can
down.
sleep it with it.
Really, honey? You'd hear this all night.
Why, that's how you are when you sleep?
Yeah, I'm a twist and turn. So it would be so annoying.
Happy Halloween.
It's the first I've seen you from morning.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Anyway, you guys, Tyler had so much fun today. I'm happy that I took the initiative to take him out. Look at my hair.
I'm
It's
happy
so
that
dirty.
the wizard was with us.
Yeah.
It was supposed to rain hard all day. And it rained this morning.
Yeah, because when babe kissed me goodbye this morning, I actually started laughing. When we both started laughing at the same time when we hear the rain outside. We were like, huh? And yeah, so we thought that it wasn't gonna happen, but it happened, and I'm happy that Tyler had fun. We are planning to hide these candies tomorrow and tell him that we eat them, but let's see how that's gonna go.
We are bad parents.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end the vlog. Of course, I'll give you guys the expressions for today, and the Jamaican expression for today is going to be mash up.
Mash up.
Yes. Baby's going to say this one is so true. If you hear a Jamaican say, yo, me just mash up my phone, simple mean they break their phone. It's mash up.
Okay, we break.
To break something is to mash. Like mashed potato. Mash up potato. Mash is English, but I think it's the way that we use it, the context in which we use it. Why it's patois. Mash up.
C'est pas toi ou c'est pas moi?
Anyway, so the Jamaican expression for today is mash up, and it can be used in different way. If you hear Jamaican say, "Yo, me feel mash up right now," simple mean I am tired, I am exhausted, and I just want to rest. Right, mash up. So it can be used in different ways. Mash up.
Mash up.
What's the French expression?
French expression for tonight is mauvais perdant. Babe is a mauvais perdant. I am not a mauvais perdant. A mauvais perdant is a bad loser. Somebody who don't accept to lose. Like, for example, the person will always try to trick, will always try to, do some things for not to accept to lose, and at the end he will like either saying that you trick, or he will leave the table before the end when he sees trap, and a bad loser.
So how is it I am a bad loser?
Yeah, every time I beat your dominoes, you're trying something, so you're a bad loser. You don't accept when I win.
Alright. I won't say anything about that domino game. Anyway, you guys, what is it?
Je suis une mauvaise perdante. Mauvais perdant.
Mauvais perdant. You terrible. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam band. We love you guys, and thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers. I'll get that out. Oh, this thing in my hair is so distracting. Anyway, you guys,
if you wanted to keep that for tomorrow, type 1.
Go ahead. Type 1 and what?
And leave a comment and like and subscribe. And if you don't do that, she's gonna take it off.
Anyway, you guys, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
So you say with 7, if we tomorrow is 7 and some things, and you keep it.
Bye guys.